Dear students, welcome to my channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe it. Hope the videos from this channel is useful for you. Through this video, let us discuss certain very important adjustments. Mostly the students find difficulty in solving these type of adjustments. For example, bad debts. Second is provision for bad and doubtful debt. Provision for discount on debtors. Provision for discount on creditors. So let us discuss an easy method for understanding the provision for bad and doubtful debt and the bad debt through this video. So the first one is bad debt. The debts which are irrecoverable from the debtors is said to be bad debt. It is a loss to the business and it is a reduction to the debtors. Suppose in your business you deals both cash as well as credit transaction. So basically you trust your customers and you believe that they will make the prompt payment. But based on your experience, you know that certain percentage of your debtors normally would not be settled. Such debtors are said to be bad debts, the sense that the debts which are irrecoverable. So these irrecoverable debtors are loss to the business. So this loss has to be recorded. If it is found out after the preparation of the trial balance and adjustment, then what will be the journal entry? For bad debt, the journal entry is bad debt account debtor 2. Debtors account. Why the debtors is credited? Because of the reason that it is an asset. That asset needs to be reduced to that extent. That is why it is credited. Similarly, bad debt is a loss to the business. So every loss has to be debited. What is the twofold effect in the profit and loss account and in the balance sheet? In the profit and loss account, it should be written in the debit side of the P&L account under the name bad debts. And in the balance sheet, asset side, from sundry debtors, to the extent of the bad debt has to be deducted. So dear friends, bad debt is the loss to the business. But before the occurrence of the bad debt, based on the experience of the businessman, he may create a certain provision for bad. If the provision for bad and doubtful debt is given in the adjustment, then we have to write that provision in the debit side of the profit and loss account. And in the balance sheet, it should be deducted from the sundry debtors, the asset side. So the adjusting entry is profit and loss account debtor to provision for bad and doubtful debt. So in the P&L account, it should be written in the debit side of the P&L account. And in the balance sheet, it should be deducted from the sundry debtors. So sundry debtors less provision for bad and doubtful debt. This is the simple case of provision for bad and doubtful debt. So it is an anticipated loss to the business created in the form of provision or reserve. Since it is an anticipated loss, it is written in the debit side of the P&L account and it may not be received in the future, so it to be deducted from the debtors. That is affected in the balance sheet here. Now, sometime the bad debt and provision for bad debt is given in the adjustment. Let us take this example. In this given trial balance, there are items sundry debtors, provision for bad and doubtful debt, that is the old provision, and bad debt 500, that is also there. But in the adjustment, there are two items with respect to the debtors. that is write off further bad debts of rupees 500 and create a provision for bad and doubtful debt at the rate of 1% on debtors. So if these two items are there, then my dear friends, while we solve this, the treatment is little different. Let us discuss that. In the P&L account, please do like this. In the debit side, you write provision for bad and doubtful debt new. Add bad debts. Provision for bad and doubtful debts new. Add bad debts less provision for bad and doubtful debt old. New provision is nothing but the provision that is given in the adjustment. Bad debt is nothing but bad debt given in the trial balance plus given in the adjustment. Both. Less provision for bad and doubtful debt old is nothing but given in the trial balance. So let us try to plot all this. Here provision for bad and doubtful debt is 1%. So in this question, it is asked to create 1% provision for bad and doubtful debt. That provision has to be created from good debtors. Then what is good debtors? Good debtors is equal to sundry debtors minus bad debt given in the adjustment. Bad debt given in the adjustment. Here sundry debtors is 50,500 minus bad debt given in the adjustment 500. This value is good debt. So it is 50,000. Out of this value, 1% provision for bad and doubtful debt has to be created. 1% of this value is 500. Therefore, the provision for bad and doubtful debt new is 500 rupees. Add bad debt. Bad debt here means bad debt given in the trial balance and in the adjustment. If it is given only in the trial balance, you take that value. If it is given in adjustment also, you take that value. So here in the trial balance, it is given 500 and in the adjustment also there is another value of 500. You take both that value. So it is 1000 rupees. So the total is 1500. Deduct the provision for bad debt given in the adjustment. That is 900. Therefore, the balance is equal to 600 rupees. And this is the adjustment for provision for bad and doubtful debt along with bad debt given in the adjustment. So it is nothing but start with new provision, add bad debts, less old provision in the debit side of the profit and loss account. And in the balance sheet, start with the sundry debtors. Sundry debtors 50,500 less bad debt given in the adjustment 500 is equal to 50,000 less provision for bad and doubtful debt new created 500. Therefore, the prompt debtors is going to be 49,500, that to be written in the outer column of the balance sheet. See dear friends, when this bad debt along with the provision for bad and doubtful debt is given, then in the balance sheet the same computation that we adopted here has to be copied here. Finished. That is the simple method for understanding the adjustment of provision for bad and doubtful debt along with bad debt given in the adjustment while preparing profit and loss account and the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, the calculation is start with sundry debtors, deduct bad debt given in the adjustment, deduct provision for bad and doubtful debt new that we created now. Balance to be written in the outer column. In the profit and loss account, new provision, add bad debts less old provision. New provision is nothing but the provision that we worked out now. Add bad debt. Bad debt is nothing but old bad debt plus new bad debt, or bad debt given in the trial balance plus given in the adjustment. Both we have to take. Less provision for bad and doubtful debt, that is old, which is given in the trial balance, that is 900 rupee. Balance to be written in the outer column of the P&L account. Hope this adjustment is clear. Please practice it again and again. If you have any doubt, leave your doubt in the comment box. I will try to support you. Thank you very much for watching. If this is useful, please forward it to your friends and the students community. Once again, thank you.